Wellbore cleanup and liner completion system. This new Baker Hughes system joins the latest in cleanup technology to Baker Hughes' proven liner hanger and sand control technology to provide you with a more efficient and reliable one-trip completion system. After the combination liner, hanger, screens, and cleanup tools have been made up, run the tool string to setting depth at a maximum speed of 90 seconds per stand. Drop the 1.5-inch setting ball to the delayed opening ball seat. After the ball has landed, pressure up the running string above the ball to approximately 1600 psi. The liner hanger will activate and set. Continue pressuring up. At approximately 2500 psi, the pusher tool will activate and set the ZXP packer. Continue to pressure up to 4000 psi and hold the pressure for approximately 1 minute. This will release the liner hanger running tool. Bleed the pressure back to 1000 psi and wait for the ball to extrude through the delayed opening ball seat and land in the ball catcher sub. When the 1.5-inch ball has extruded, the pressure will fall to 0 psi. Drop the 1 3/4-inch setting ball to close the high flow valve. This will allow string integrity down through the running string. The ball extrudes at approximately 1000 psi down to the ball catcher sub. Check the liner hanger seal by closing the annulus or blowout preventer and pressure test down the annulus. Once the test is complete, bleed the pressure off and open the blowout preventer. The Wellbore cleanup operation now begins. Pick up and pull the dog sub free from the liner hanger polished bore receptacle. Start circulating, reciprocating, and rotating to scrape and clean the cement from the production packer setting area. This will help the packer achieve a good seal against the casing. The scrapers are non-rotating to prevent any damage to the casing. Run in the hole and tag the liner top with the dog sub. Set down weight to move the J-type circulating swivel into the safety lock position. Continue setting down weight to set the inflow test packer. Close the annulus and pressure down the annulus to test the inflow packer. After the successful packer test, bleed off the pressure, open the annulus, and pick up to unseat the inflow packer. Pump a lightweight fluid down the running string to displace the heavier weight mud from the running string. This creates an underbalance across the liner top and allows for a negative test. Slack off the weight and set the inflow packer again. Conduct the negative test and monitor the pressure. After the test is completed, pressure the running string back up to equalize pressure across the inflow packer. Unset the packer and then reverse circulate the lightweight fluid out of the well. Pick up to move the bottom seal assembly out of the seal bore. Rotate the tool string and pump the Wellbore cleanup pills, followed by the completion fluid out the bottom of the tool string. Place the pills approximately 500 feet above the J-type circulating swivel. Stop pumping and rotating. Tag the liner top with the dog sub. Rotate to the right and down to open the J-type circulating swivel. Displace the Wellbore cleanup chemicals and then the completions fluid through the ports in the J-type circulating swivel until the desired cleanliness is achieved. The running string is then pulled out of the Wellbore. The Baker Hughes Gravit's magnets recover ferrous material from the hole, and the scrapers and brushes clean the casing internal diameter. The Wellbore fluid is filtered by the Baker Hughes multitask Wellbore filter, which also captures the solid debris. Pulling out of the hole engages the fluid loss control valve shifting tool and slides the sleeve inside of the fluid loss control valve to close the flapper valve. In one trip, you clean the Wellbore and set both the liner and the screen and fluid loss system. With Baker Hughes' innovative technology, systems, and service, you save time and money with less risk. Ask your